Hello, my name is Leon. This is my final presentation for Python 1. My idea. This project was inspired by my interest in drawing and coding Turtle. I like the variety that Turtle can make. Also, I thought it was very cool. Examples. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about functions and for loops, which I use in my project. Functions help you reuse and organize the codes. For loops helps repeating codes. Code example. Code 1. Functions. This picture above shows the point adding system and determine if the user's answer got it right or not. Code 2. For loops. The picture above shows the coding of turtle, and after running, the turtle will draw a square with red color. This is my program. It will draw a shape that you have to guess. After I made my guess, it will tell me if I got right or wrong. And this is so let's say I did it. I'll make it on purposefully. Blah blah whatever. My favorite part about working on this project was making drawings in Turtle and making the functions. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I'll add more drawings, creating different types of systems like different levels or faces. My user choose difficulties or drawings. Thank you.